everyone, we are really excited to present you Hirely, an AI-powered job application platform designed to make the life of both job seeker and the employer easier. So this is the part of our capstone project of Esewa Career Climber program, and we are really thrilled to share what we have built throughout this program. And I am Aditya. I am representing Team Hirely. So we have used Next.js in the front end and Django in the back end for developing this application. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see here, we have our login page. So before diving into login page, let's get into the registration page. So this is our registration page. We can register with your full name, username, email address, and what role you are. Suppose if you are someone looking for a job, you can log in as a candidate, and if you are someone who are looking to post a job and looking for candidates, you can sign up as an employer. So I have already registered into our application. So let's get into the login page. So this is our login page. So first of all, I will walk you through the candidate side of the of our application, and then we will walk you through the employer side of the application. So first of all, let's try to log in with the invalid credentials. Alright. So I have given the wrong password for now. So let's try to log in. So we get invalid credentials as result, right? So let's log in with the correct credentials. So I have used this mail for logging in as a candidate role. So let's log in. So we have successfully logged in into the candidate side of the page. So this is the landing page for candidate side. You can sort job based on the location, title, location. Right now there are not much job posted because I haven't posted that much job from the employer side. We will walk through that in the later part of the video. You can filter out based on the categories, based on the locations. Suppose I want to apply for a job in the cloud engineer. So let's apply for this role. So we will render to this form for applying to the job. So let's fill out the form shortly. Cover letter, write anything. Expected salary. So let's submit our application. So we have successfully submitted our application. Let's go to our job. So we can see our applications from this page. So right now I have applied for 3 job roles, and all are pending because I haven't accepted any from the employer side of the page. We will see that in the later part of the video. So now let's dive into some key features of our application, right, which is also our unique selling point of our application. So first one is a resume scorer, right? So you can score out your resume based on the job description and highlight some key missing points in your resume, right? So let's copy a job description from here, uh, and let's score out my resume for this job description, right? So I have used Gemini API to score out this resume. So right now my resume is about 80% for full stack developer role, right? And we have some key point missing in my resume, such as CI/CD, testing framework, version controls. This is the highlight summary of my resume. So yeah, using this, you can point out what are the key loopholes in my resume and be prepared for the job, right? So the next feature in our application is this AI career coach, which is also we are naming it Sense AI. So from here we can get career guidance, interview preparation, industry insights, smart resume creation, and also a cover letter generation as well. So let's see some of the industry insights from here. From this page you can see the market outlook, industry growth rate, what is the demand of that field, what are the top skills required for that industry, different salary range in the industry, recommended skills. So let's choose one industry. Right now let's go into uh, technology, data science. Say I have experience of one. I have Python, Excel, ML models. Let's write this. Let's keep this empty, and let's see what is the industry inside of data science field now. So market outlook is positive, industry growth rate is about 25%, demand is really high, top skill required is SQL, machine learning, data visualization. So different salary roles for in this industry is data scientist of about 165K of salary, data analyst, machine learning engineer, business intelligence analyst, and many more. So recommended skill are deep learning, cloud platform, big technology. So you can use like candidate can use this dashboard to make out their career choice and help them make a good decision about their career. So our next one is, let's go to the interview preparation type. So if I have an interview and I want to take a mock quiz for that interview, so you can come here and start your preparation. So mm, the quiz will form based on the industry we selected previously. Like we selected data science industry, right? So let's start the quiz or mock interview for that job role or industry. So these all questions are being prepared by Gemini model. We are using Gemini 2.0 Flash model. So these are the questions. Right now, let's click randomly. Uh, let's click out randomly for now to easy fast our process. So these the 10 question will be provided mm, to help us prepare for the interview. So let's finish the quiz. So you can see our result. Not I have selected randomly for now. So you can see your answer and valid explanation for that answer. So you can prepare for that job role, right? So let's get into the next feature, which is building resume. So if you are someone who don't know how to build a proper resume in proper formatting, you can come here and just build your resume. Let's build some LinkedIn URL. Let's copy some from here. So I will be using this for all professional summary. I am a backend developer. So skill Python. Let's write this work experience. Django developer. Company. Let's write Nepal knowledge that that kind of thing. So describe your experience. Build API. So you can improve also with AI for these roles. Like AI will automatically provide you the description. Yeah. So let's add that entry. Education. Computer engineering. Nepal Engineering College. Just randomly. So this also you can improve from AI generated based on your all the description. So let's add entry. Let's not add projects for now. Let's save all valid. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah. So our resume is successfully built. I have a professional summary, skills, work experience, education. So you can generate your resume from here. So you can also download it from here. Let's not download it for now. What happened? So let's get into our another feature for AI career coach, which is cover letter generator. So let's generate a cover letter. Let's say Esewa, job title, backend engineer, job description, build API. So it will generate a cover letter for us. So we don't have to go manually and write it down in the Word or anywhere else. So let's wait. So yeah, your cover letter also generated successfully. You can see it from here. So let's back into. So here is your cover letter. So this is our second AI features of our application. The third AI feature of this application is your own AI interview preparation. So this platform is not well prepared for now. We have there is a lot of improvise needed for this AI interview part. So we have a basic interviews here. You can right now it works for now. Let's see. Let's allow.
Hello, thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm excited to learn more about you and your experience.
Hey there, I am Aditya. I am currently doing
Hi.
computer engineering.
Hi, Aditi. It's great to meet you. Computer engineering is an exciting field. Could you tell me a bit more about yourself, maybe about your studies or any projects you've worked on?
So I am working on this platform of job application which is named Airly, which is an AI powered job application platform.
That sounds really interesting, Aditi. Working on an AI-powered job application platform must give you great hands-on experience. What has been your role or focus in this project?
So I am a full stack developer and I am building it on my own.
That's impressive. Being a full-stack developer and handling the entire platform on your own shows significant skill and dedication. What would you say are some of your strengths that have helped you excel in this role?
So it goes on, right? As I mentioned earlier, it is not well built right now. We have just so that is what into. So we still have to work a lot on this application to make it more efficient and more reliable. Right now it works, but not as efficient as we wanted. So these were some three key features in the candidate side. We also mentioned pricing for this application. So to use these AI features, they have to buy some AI some monthly pros. uh, it will help us our platform to generate some money, right? So yeah, this is all for the candidate side. So we will go to the employer side now. So let's log in into the employer side of the page now. uh, so I think I have used this mail for the employer side. So let's log in. Yeah, so this is the employer side of our application. We still have a lot of work and a lot of features to include in this in the employer side of our application. So you can see different jobs you have added. You can post a job from here. Suppose if you want to a job to be posted of let's say uh, React developer. Let's build UI, job category, Kathmandu, junior role, part-time, 70, key role build, web application, front-end, requirements React, mm, bachelor, React, JavaScript, and let's type. So you have successfully posted the job from employer side. You can see it here. So you can also view some applicants that have applied in the job, specific job. So we have applied in the cloud engineer role. When we see from the candidate side, you can also download it from here. You can accept or reject it from here. So the key AI feature we have included in the employer side of our application is this AI resume parsing and shortlisting the candidates. So we have used Hugging Face model to sort out and score out the resume. So let's see for which let's do for front end role. So we have different application from Emily in the front end role in the so it will for job position and for front end, so this Hugging Face model parse the resume and score out and give us the top candidate for this job role. So let's analyze the job role. We have top 3 candidates for the job role, which score is 5 5. We have 2 candidates for scoring 5 out of 5 job role. One is 4.28. Let's do for another. Let's analyze. One candidate 4.222. We only have one applicant in full stack, right? Yeah. So yeah, that's why we get this full stack developer role. So we get this resume this resume analyzer and get the top candidate out of total application, so it will help employer easily decide which candidate to accept. So yeah, that's much for in the candidates in the employer side. We still have a lot of AI features to include in this side of the platform, so we'll do it later. Yeah, so that's all for now. Thank you.